when readiness is high, scheduling becomes a source of confidence. Well, we can see it in a simple shot. The almost eternal struggle between sales and manufacturing is reduced dramatically. Uh, so sales can commit based on reality. Operation can protect flow rather than constantly reacting. And organization can evaluate growth opportunities and very important using the actual constraint. Constraint it's a word that we are repeating in this conversation. Um, on scaling projects, we have seen organization reducing lead times dramatically, or at least they have real lead times. So they improve promise shipment days, and they even increase sales without adding capacity, simply by improving how decisions are made, simulating, sharing decision, having a tool. And finally, I would say at this point, scaling is no longer a bottleneck; it becomes a stabilizing force.